Alright guys, welcome back. It's Tuesday, it's webinar day, so you know already what to do. Go and subscribe to the webinar today, 6 to 7 p.m. I will be live chatting to all of you, and I have ready the Telegram channel. So lots of things will happen on there, alright, until, who knows, until lifetime. But for that, you guys have to come at my webinar because that will be the only way to access it. All right, that's where I will share my QR codes. All right, so what's happening today? Well, apart from the webinar, pretty quick. I just want to go a rundown here because we're going to start the webinar at 6. So at 5 o'clock, we're going to have unemployment rate as well as employment change. As well as climate counter change and a few other ones for the pound. Unemployment rate seems to be quite consistent as last month. So basically the previous was 4.3, the consensus right now is expected to be 4.3 as well. In my opinion, GBP continues to be a short position. I was just reading a bank research from Goldman Sachs this morning, and they still believe the 1.18 target has a lot to be done on GBPUSD. So they still continue to short Goldman Sachs. I'll show you guys this report tonight on my webinar. And then after that, at 7 o'clock, we're going to have services PMI, as well manufacturing PMI from Europe. So that's going to be very important so we can know how proceed on the euro-dollar aspect towards the end of the year. I was talking to a friend from Gold Coast. He's a trader, and we are finding this market quite difficult, to be honest. Not a very easy market to drive at the moment. I didn't expect it to happen what just happened yesterday. So if you've been following me, you know how bearish I am on the euro dollar. I was getting everything right until yesterday, last night, when the bonds, the 30-year, the 2-year, and the 10-year just collapsed. They've dropped more than 14, 16, 10 basis points. So I don't think it will come back again pretty soon because the market is not trying to buy bonds at the moment. They are more towards safer assets like gold and CHF. So if you want to know what is actually happening, I've made all the analysis, and I will just dive into those analysis tonight at my webinar. So for that, just subscribe. It's free. $0, no charges attached. All right, you don't need to do anything. Just subscribe to the webinar. Probably the link will be somewhere here, or most probably on the comments, or either on the description of this video. All right, guys. So that's all from me. Not very happy, right? Because something actually happened that I wasn't expected. So that it's not how I like to trade. But it is what it is. That's trading, right? And we have to get this on the guts and continue on our risk management. All right, so please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on this video, and again, I see you tonight on my webinar.